Hello, gentlemen. So the first task you've got here is to write a Seel paragraph about mana. So you'll see here it says mana is an important part of the spiritual world for Māori. Now what I've done, gentlemen, is I've actually made a Word document to try and model this to you so you can use this example if you choose to. Now we're just simply going to focus on the C part of it today, and we know that the S stands for statement, the E stands for explain, and the other E stands for example. Now, I've already done the statement for you. So mana is an important part of the spiritual world for Māori. What we need to do now is we need to explain it. So what you can actually do is you can go back to the slide and you can look at the slide about mana. And in this slide it says here, mana was the power of the spiritual beings at work in everyday life. Now, I really like that sentence there. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to copy that. And I'm actually going to place that into the explain part there. Now, you are more than welcome to do that if you find that easier. If you want to further extend yourself, you can actually go to the website here, which is maori.org.nz. And if you look up tikanga, you'll find some really good information about mana, which you could therefore use in the explain part. The next part we have to do is we need to explain it. And this is where I'm going to ask you to try and do this part into your own words as a starter. Now, you can use this part as an example. An example of mana is leadership. Okay, full stop. And then for there we write respect is given to these humble leaders, because that's a really important part of Māori culture, being humble. Leaders who demonstrate success and excellence in their chosen field. Okay, now at the end of that you possibly could do an example of someone that you know has demonstrated leadership. Okay, give that a go. I don't mind if you use as an example, but for the next one you're going to have to really use your own words, and I'll explain that in one of the next videos. Thank you. Take care.